Hello YouTube, Chastek is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix a Windows cannot find a driver for your network adapter. You may face this problem on your Windows 10, Windows 11 and other Windows operating system. So to solve this problem, we are going to use three solutions. So let's start from solution number one. So solution number one would be troubleshooting your internet connection. So click here the search icon and type your settings. Here the settings, then open it, and under settings scroll down and you will find troubleshoot. Here select troubleshoot and click here other troubleshooter, and here internet connection. So select here run. So it will start diagnosing or detecting problems related with the internet connection. So wait patiently until it will finish. Here in my case, please select the issues Windows should troubleshoot. So troubleshooting my connection to the internet or help me connect to a specific web page. So the problem is troubleshooting my connection to the internet. So it detects the problem. So wait until it will finish. In my case here, troubleshooting cannot identify the problem. So I'm going to close it. In your case, you may find some solution. It may help you to solve your problem. So if the problem still not solved, then the second solution would be updating your network adapter. So to do that, click here again the search icon and type here device manager. Here the device manager, then open it. Then after that, find for network adapter. Here the network adapter. So click here the arrow, and here I have the network adapter. So select that specific network adapter, then right click on it and select here update driver. Then click here browse my computer for driver and select here, let me pick from the list and select which is the recent one. In my case, this driver is the recent one, 2021. So I'm going to select that. In your case, you can search for the updated or the recent driver, then select here next, and it will start installing and updating, and Windows has successfully updated your driver. Then close this and close your device manager. So this could also help you to fix your problem. But if the problem is still continuing, then uninstall and reinstall back the network adapter. So in order to do that, again click here the search icon and open device manager. Here the device manager. So after the device manager opened, again go here network adapter and select the driver, then right click on it and select here uninstall device. So it will give you a warning, you are about to uninstall this device from your system. So select here uninstall and it will remove it. Then click here on the top, here the search icon, scan for hardware change. So select this and it will reinstall back your network adapter. Here the network adapter installed back. Then close your device manager and restart your computer. So this would help you to fix your Windows could not find a driver for your network adapter. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Just take out.